Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the October manifestation box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the October 2025 manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, the Gogh Jewelry Design does two different boxes. You have the manifestation box like I show you here on my channel, and then they also have the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I absolutely love that one. Right now, Rena over at Boxes and Deals, she will be showing you the Mother Earth Wrap Club. We do this together in collaboration so we can bring both subscriptions to you guys. So you can watch my video and then pop on over to hers and see what she gets in the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I absolutely love that one as well. I love how dainty and sparkly it normally is, and I just love to see what she gets in her box. So don't forget to pop on over, see what she has, and then you can figure out which one's best for you, the manifestation or the Mother Earth Wrap. You have both choices. So let's go ahead and dive into the manifestation box. In this box, and they're both the same pricing too, which we'll get into at the end, but they're both the same pricing, so it's not like that's going to be a factor. It's just what's inside that resonates to you. So inside of this box, you have the monthly crystal, like a healing crystal. You have a bracelet, a necklace, what we're working with, your horoscope, and meditation cards. That is all included in this box right here. You also have a personalized handwritten card right on top from the owner, which is absolutely amazing. You have a sticker. This one, it says Cherrific Performance. It has little cherries. And then when you open up the tissue paper, there's a sneak peek to inside of this box. So let me pull this out. We'll go through the paperwork and then we will go through the goodies. So for this month, it says Doing Life Your Way. So you have this to sit down and read so you know what we're working with for this month. And then when you do sign up, you tell them your wrist size, your neck size, so they know which way to customize the bracelet and the necklace for you. And then you tell them your zodiac sign, so then you get your actual horoscope. Mine is Scorpio because that's what I am. So here is my horoscope for Scorpio for this month. I love to go through and read that. Then the meditation cards I told you about, we always get two. You can gift one and keep one, keep them both, gift them both. You can do whatever you would like, but you always do get two of them, mainly one for you to keep and one for you to gift. So this month it says, if you obey all the rules, you miss all the fun. So here's the two cards. Oh, and the owner of this company actually just wrote her own book. So if you would like to check that out, she has her own book. And then here is even a little bookmark for it too, Diving into Dreams. So again, if you want to check out her book, congratulations to the owner. She is now an author of a book. And I mean, I want to go check it out. But here is the information for her new book that just came out. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and go with what is inside of this box. It always comes in these boxes with their sticker. If it's the wrap, it'll have the wrap on top, but they always come in the boxes. You can store them, keep your jewelry in, or whichever. You always do get these cards, and I absolutely love that because then it kind of tells you a little bit more information about the stone, and you have an image on the top. So if you're ever looking through your crystals and you're like, what was this again? You can kind of go through the images and match it up, kind of see what it is. I keep all of these. I have them all in alphabetical order in a little boxing in my crystal area, which I just redid my crystal area and I'm super, super happy with it. Finally, before I was just putting things anywhere and everywhere just to make it fit. Now everything like has a home. It's all organized. I can see everything. I'm just so, so, so excited. So for this month we have is Unakite. Is that how you say that? It looks like that's what it is. And that must be what the bracelet is and what the healing crystal is, because there's just a little fuzzies from them in the box. because this is only one card in here. So it has to be exactly the same, which that is so cool that they are the same crystal. So here is a star shape. Sometimes we've had like hearts, stars, moon shapes, round, palm stones. You can get so many different styles and types of crystals and everything for the healing crystal. So that is really cool. And I love that it is a star. So that one's gonna go in my green area. And then here is the actual bracelet. That is really neat because of the way that they're like all small, little round. That's the thing. Sometimes like you don't know what kind of crystal or like what shape. I just love having so many different varieties. And this one is super pretty because it's all like just like those brown tones. So it just goes with anything. That is really, really pretty. So let's read on this stone. This gemstone is said to provide you harmonious connections on a spiritual level. It's a healing stone, with the greens bringing soothing vitality and the pinks bringing affection and empathy. Its strong relationship aids you in forming similar bonds and living a life of understanding and tolerance. It is a heart chakra gemstone that assists us in regulating our feelings and maintaining harmony in our work and professional life. So now let's go ahead and go into here and see what kind of necklace we have. The necklace we have, it says Crazy Lace Agate. So it looks like it's going to be different, but this looks exactly the same. So I'm going to assume, assuming, the necklace and the bracelet are this Crazy Lace Agate, and then just the healing stone is this Unakite or whichever, because just this card was in with this bracelet, but I don't think this is the right crystal. I think this goes with this, and these are both this. And this is actually really neat because I've always waited, like every month I wait to have it be like an actual matching set. And this time it is exactly a matching set, you guys. Look at that. That is amazing. I love that the bracelet and the necklace both are the same crystal for once. Oh my goodness. So not even like matching with the same color. They are matching with the exact same crystal. That is awesome. And there you go. So you have the exact match.
And so for this matching crystal, the Crazy Lace Agate is known as the stone of laughter and joy, but it's more than that. It is a reminder to stay light when standing firm, to let color and movement into your life without losing your grounding. It helps dispel fear, self-doubt, and negativity, encouraging a light-hearted outlook and inner strength during times of stress and transition.
And then you have your healing crystal then for October. All right, you guys. So now that is everything for this manifestation box. You have this gorgeous necklace and bracelet that matches exactly. And then you have this amazing, really has good benefits and everything in it for the healing crystal. So what do you guys think of this month's box? What do you think of the two crystals? What would be your favorite? What do you think of this style necklace with the crystals all the way around that matches the bracelet perfectly? Oh my gosh, I really, really love that. I really, really love that it all matches. So I love that. What do you guys think? Definitely let me know. Are you surprised? Are you like me every month and you're waiting for them to actually be an exact match? I love this month. I love this month that it matches. Okay. So if you would like a little bit more information about this box as far as the pricing goes, again, the manifestation box and the Mother Earth Wrap Club are the exact same pricing. It just depends on what you want. And don't forget to pop on over to Rena's video so you can see what is in the Mother Earth Wrap Club for this month. I cannot wait to see what she has. I wonder if it's going to be the same crystal. See, I just love that. I cannot wait to see what she has this month. But if you guys want to pop on over, like I said, see what she's got, come back here, tell me which one you like better. That would be amazing to know, to hear which one you like after watching her video and mine. Definitely let us know which one you thought would be better for the month, or you would resonate with more, the manifestation or the Mother Earth Wrap Club. Definitely let us know. So again, they're both the same exact pricing. If you want to do month per month, it's $39. If you want to save some money and go to a 3-month plan, that will bring it down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring it down to $34. And if you want to save even more money and go to a full prepaid yearly plan, that brings your box price down to only $33 per box. So that is absolutely amazing. She also donates and gives back, which I love, because in shopping through them, we're all helping each other by donating. And they also have my code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 20% off your first monthly box or their online shop. So if you don't want to jump straight to a monthly subscription, you could always shop for yourself or for gift ideas. They have sales all of the time. So you can always check out their online shop, and SheCrafty will save you 20% off of that one as well. You can use Rena's code or mine, whichever. It doesn't do anything for us. It saves for you. So whichever code you want to use, go ahead and grab it and save that money. So now that is everything that I have to say for this video. Again, they will be linked down below in the description box with my code if you would like to pop on over to their site and see what they have to offer in their shop or their monthly box. It'll all be down below in the description box for you. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for me to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.